Hello people, this is another video for website designing, like graphic design. This is another website called Udemy. This Udemy is a very good site, like a graphic design website, and this place is where you learn every other skills, like that of Skillshare that I told you before. You can learn all sorts of graphic design and even every other courses here for free for some certain time. You have like leadership, leadership. You have entire MBA course, award winning, the complete SQL, name it. You have other courses here that you can like Python. You can learn a lot of it here. Just come to Udemy. That is udemy.com, Udemy, and all these courses are charged like $9. Even though it is charged $9, you can even get a free course here. Just type what you are looking for. Let's say we are talking about graphic design. So when you type it there, you can get some courses here for free. Okay, let's see. Free. Okay, let's see free courses. Let's go on free courses and see lots of courses that you have there. Yes. So you have 7,080 results for free courses here. You see, all these ones are free courses. It depends on the one you want to choose. And before you can start going on these free courses, you have to sign up. All you have to do is sign up. Just when you come to udemy.com and you type, or before you type the free courses, just click on sign up here. When you sign up here, all you have to do is put your full name, email, and password. Just create your password, then you click on and you agree on the terms and conditions, then you sign up. Then you'll be sent a confirmation mail at your maybe Yahoo Mail, Gmail, AOL.com, anyone you are using. Then when you confirm, then you can start with the lecture that you wanted to learn from this Udemy. All this Udemy lecture, you can get it for free, and even we are getting it for free, but for continuation you can get all the courses on Udemy. When I say other courses, like the one I showed you before, just come, all this one and all this one are paid. If that's what you are learning you did not understand, you cannot grab immediately, just come and do and when you do all these courses, you'll be awarded a certificate that you are good to go with all what you've learned. And when you have done all this one, you can go to fiverr.com. Yes. So at this Fiverr, you have to sign up or join. When you click join, then you sign up. So you sign up with your email, then they will send you a confirmation email like that of Udemy. On that confirmation email, you'll be directed back to Fiverr. Then you register fully on Fiverr. Then you become a member or a seller. From when you're a seller, so what you learn from Udemy or SkyScale, then you can start doing it on Fiverr, or you go to people per hour. People per hour.com. Yes, you come to people per hour. They are a freelance job, a freelance website rather, where you can do your work. You sign up. When you sign up, You sign up with them. So it's coming up. Okay, so you can just click just click I want to work as a freelancer. Then when all the work you learn at you can sign up with Facebook if you have a Facebook account, or you can sign up with your email. Then when you sign up with your email, maybe okay, let's click this one. Then you click email. So this is how it is. You give your first name, last name, email, password, and sign up. Then you'll be sent another confirmation email for you to continue working with them. So what you've learned from Udemy, you can just bring it to either Fiverr here or to people per hour, and you start working. So then you'll be paid. And what are you going to be paid? There are a lot of work there you can get to be paid for. So name it, logo design, articles. They have a lot of job here you can do. Likewise, and people per hour. So it depends on how much you are going to charge them, how much you are going to do. For logo, you can charge $10, $15, $650. That is a lot of money if you are good in what you're doing. It depends on what you want to learn from there. They have various type of work. So to get the type of work they have here, you see, you come here to the digital, you see a lot of work they have here. And likewise here, they have a lot of work. Whichever one you can do, writing, they have a lot of work here. They have a lot of work here, as you can see. So just come there, or you come to okay, sorry for that. Lots of people per hour. Search for a job. Yeah. So you have a lot. They have a lot of work, but it cannot be displayed unless you have signed up with them. So when you sign up with them, you start working with them. So I have my account with Fiverr. So I hope this video. So that is how you get paid when on the work you have learned from Udemy or Skillshare. I hope this video will help you a lot in choosing this job, and so that you can continue to earn your money at home. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Please click on the notification button. I mean the subscribe button and the notification button, so that you can get the subsequent video I'll be releasing very soon. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.